The service RSC Now warning is a critical safety alert that appears on Ford vehicle dashboards. This warning indicates a problem with your vehicle's roll stability control system, which is essential for preventing dangerous rollover situations. When this warning appears on your Ford dashboard, it means the RSC system has detected a malfunction and may not be able to protect you in emergency situations. Roll stability control, or RSC, is an advanced safety system designed specifically to prevent vehicle rollovers. It continuously monitors your vehicle's stability and takes automatic action when it detects a potential rollover situation. The RSC system uses multiple sensors to monitor lateral acceleration, steering wheel angle, and vehicle speed. When sensors detect a potential rollover, the system automatically applies individual wheel brakes and reduces engine power to stabilize the vehicle. This warning commonly appears on Ford models from 2005 onwards, including the F-150, Explorer, Expedition, and Edge. These vehicles are equipped with RSC as a standard safety feature. The primary causes of RSC warnings fall into three categories. Sensor malfunctions account for 60% of cases, electrical system issues cause 25% of problems, and module or software problems represent 15% of failures. Addressing the service RSC Now warning promptly is essential for maintaining vehicle safety and stability. The RSC system is a critical safety feature that helps prevent dangerous rollover accidents, so any malfunction should be diagnosed and repaired immediately. The first step in troubleshooting the service RSC Now warning is using an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic fault codes from your Ford's computer system. Common RSC fault codes include B342 for lateral accelerometer issues, B346 for yaw rate sensor problems, B1318 for steering angle sensor faults, and U0415 for communication errors. Next, perform a visual inspection of RSC sensors and wiring. Check wheel speed sensors for damage, corrosion, or debris buildup that could interfere with proper operation. Several DIY troubleshooting steps can resolve simple RSC issues. Start by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes to reset the system. Then check RSC-related fuses in both the engine bay and interior fuse boxes. For accurate diagnosis, professional equipment is often required. Technicians use specialized tools to test sensor voltage, perform calibration, and verify proper system operation. Repair costs vary depending on the specific issue. Sensor replacement typically costs between $150 and $400 per sensor, while module replacement or reprogramming can range from $500 to $1,200. Ford has issued technical service bulletins addressing RSC issues. TSB 242156 covers updated calibration procedures for 2020 to 2024 F-150 models, while TSB 24-2089 provides revised diagnostic protocols for intermittent RSC warnings. Regular maintenance is key to preventing RSC failures. Annual inspections of sensor mounting and wiring, along with biannual calibration checks, can reduce RSC failure rates by up to 60%.